Nivedita, there's a lot of talk about sandalwood film industry consuming drugs and constantly on a high. What's your take on that? Would you like to defend the industry at all?
Hi, see, there is drugs in the society, so there would be drugs in the industry. So I'm not going on the offensive or defending it. There are people who are investigating it. They will come to the conclusions.
Your take on a lot of
But I would like
stars.
to say that I would like to say that when I go to a shoot, we are about 4 to 5 actors, or say the max 10 actors. The rest of them, like if we are 100 people, 90 to 95 of them are technicians. And what I more rampantly see is alcohol. People regularly take alcohol at the end of a day after a long day shoot. I've never come across personally of somebody taking drugs and coming to shoot and stuff like that, or nobody has confessed to me, or nobody has told me, or nobody has invited me. So it has not happened to me. It has not come to my notice directly, but because it's there in the society, I am sure it will be in the industry.
Do you think it's because of the lack of knowledge? Do you think it's because of the lack of knowledge on what these substances are, that people are not really aware that possibly some of the stars could be coming on sets maybe on a high? And it's not necessary that they have to be drugged on the sets. They could possibly be doing it regularly while they're away from the sets. It's a lack of knowledge, do you think? Or do you feel that this is just overrated, the entire controversy here?
I'm nobody to say if it's overrated or what, because investigation is on. You're right. Yeah, as I said, as far as I know, a lot of people, like say 90, 95 people don't even know about drugs, I feel, in out of 100 people.
Which is why people like Indrajit Lankesh are coming out and slamming this. Do you think it's the right thing to call out sandalwood stars, or any star for that matter, considering they have a fan following and they're influencers?
I'm nobody to say what Indrajit Lankesh did is right or wrong. It's his decision.
As an industry insider, what's your opinion?
I'm nobody to comment on that. Huh?
As an industry insider, do you think it's right to call out people, to point out at those who are possibly into it, considering that they have a huge fan following, they are an influencer, and people are observing what they do? Is it right to call out those who are indulging in such illegal substances?
As I said, I'm nobody to comment on what Indrajit has done. It's his stand. He has taken a stand.
Well,
as long as
I'm
he
asking
stands by his
individually.
stand,
I'm keeping
nobody to comment
Indrajit aside
on that.
here. I'm talking to you as an individual, as an insider.
How can I come? See, if Indrajit, whoever takes a stand and does something, I'm nobody to comment on that. I personally do not consider myself as an industry insider. I belong to the society. So I'll stand by somebody, I'll stand by anybody who takes a decision and stands by it, you know.
So, and what's your
That's
stance
it. I am nobody to comment. But if whoever takes a stand and if he's wrong, then he will be punished accordingly.
Absolutely.
So audience, everybody is watching the whole thing. So I'm nobody to comment on what somebody else feels, deems right, and does it.
Nivedita, we do know that ganja, marijuana, hashish is very commonly used across, and it's not just in the film industry, it's used across possibly every industry. What's your opinion on that, considering that this is something that is taken worldwide, but in India particularly, in most places, including in Karnataka now, with the drug scandal escalating, with Sushant Singh Rajput's case now snowballing to such an extent, there's such a hue and cry about marijuana and hashish. What's your opinion on this material being used widely across of India, which is a well-known fact? There's nothing new about it, but now it's blown out of proportion, considering the racket that's rampant and the NCB's crackdown largely.
See, the whole reason why I even started speaking about this issue was regarding marijuana. When I heard on television that when the anchors were bundling this with the hard drugs like cocaine and heroin and all that, and calling them all bad drugs, you know, such horrible drugs like marijuana, cocaine and all that. So it really hurt me, because as far as I know, and as far as I've researched, and in my experience in trying to procure medication for my dad, marijuana has extraordinary medicinal qualities, extraordinary, and it's been recorded all through history, right from the Vedas, and it was used in India till 1985 until it was banned by Rajiv Gandhi government, along with the hard drugs, calling it a gateway drug, which then was opposed by a lot of people, including a lot of media also, and it's still being opposed. There are still petitions in court. So I have, in the last 7-8 years, I have come to know the value of marijuana, not just as medicinally, in spiritual, religious, and manufacturing, agricultural, and even recreational. It's much better compared to alcohol and cigarette.